I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Git for Windows is already installed. This saves time. Once ready, open PowerShell or command prompt, no admin required. You will run a single locator command, where Git or, in PowerShell, get command Git. These commands query your path and return the exact path to Git.exe. Make sure to type the commands exactly. If you see multiple lines, note the first one for the executable. This step gets you the actionable file path you need. Once done, examine the output carefully, where Git will list full paths, while get command Git includes a source property showing Git.exe. You should copy the first line. The one Windows will actually execute when you run Git. If multiple installations appear, the first match is the active one in your path. This is why ordering matters. Make sure to check both program files and your user app data locations. If you need a different exe, adjust your path or uninstall extras so the correct Git.exe is first. To finish, paste the located Git.exe path into your IDE or scripts. Use the exact full path, for example /program files /git bin/git.exe. Once done, restart any open terminals or applications so they pick up path changes. If the commands return nothing, add Git's bin folder to your path environment variable and then reopen your shell. This is the common fix. One key troubleshooting tip. If you still see no result, check for typos and confirm Git was installed for your user versus system. Fixing that resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.